In this video, I'm going to reveal the 5 best affiliate programs for beginners. Included in this video is why I think these are good places to start and how you can get up and running with them relatively quickly. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn about the best affiliate programs for beginners. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt, and I've successfully promoted everything from security cameras to stand mixers, microwaves, home security products, sound bars, and online courses. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to notify when I upload a brand new video if you want to learn real tips and tricks to make money online with affiliate marketing. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook is going to teach you how to make money online step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. All right, so let's go ahead and get right into it. You are maybe brand new to affiliate marketing. Maybe your commissions haven't been as consistent as you'd like, and you want to know a place to start. So let's go ahead and talk about the 5 best affiliate programs for beginners. The first one I have on my screen is web hosting, more specifically with Bluehost. Now, the reason why I think web hosting and Bluehost are a great place to start is simply because there are over 500,000 new websites created every single day. So there is all sorts of opportunities, all sorts of ways to get into this niche and create content to get in front of people and really help them out. Now with Bluehost, they pay $65 commission to start. Eventually they will bump that up to $100 once you earn enough commissions, but this can be a good place to start. There is lots of options, and I would say people aren't maybe frustrated with the market. When you are promoting make money online business type programs, people are kind of weary and frustrated with the market, and so it can be more difficult to earn conversions. But with web hosting, there are a bunch of ways to get into it. You can create a YouTube channel of helping people start a website. You can start a blog that's going to be a little competitive. You could create a Facebook group. You could do this on Instagram or Twitter or LinkedIn, all helping people to start a website. So I think there's a lot of opportunity. You could also use this as like a value added type thing. You could give away a free course and tell them that they need to get web hosting. You could give away a free course on how to start a website and then put your affiliate links to Bluehost or any web hosting platform. But I think Bluehost is a great place to start. A lot of people know what it is. It doesn't have a negative reputation. There is some problems with Bluehost, namely their customer service, but for the most part, a lot of people are familiar with the name and they have a strong brand name in the industry. But Bluehost is number 1. Now, number 2 is actually with Canva. Now, there's a few reasons why I like Canva. Canva is a part of the Impact Radius affiliate network, so you have to apply to become a part of the affiliate network before you can apply to Canva. But I like Canva because there are a variety of use cases. You can use Canva to help people make money online. You could use Canva to actually sell your own templates. There's a lot of ways to go. For example, if you were to create a YouTube channel about different ways to make money online, and one of the ways that you teach people is to create an Etsy shop and sell digital products on Etsy, you can link off to Canva. Canva also offers recurring commissions, and it's free to start. The barrier to entry is really low. It's really user-friendly. It's for beginners, and so I think there's a lot of opportunities. You could even create something like how to make YouTube thumbnails for free and then refer people over to Canva. All of these are different niches that you could get into. How to make money creating ebook covers. Lots of opportunities in my opinion. And then you just put your link down to Canva. Now people will eventually upgrade to the premium version just to test it out and see. And then that's when you make money. But I really like Canva. I don't remember how much the commission structure is, but this is why I'm going to spend more time telling you why I think these are cool opportunities and not necessarily how much money you can earn. But I think Canva is really cool, especially for beginners. It's free to start. There's low barrier to entry, lots of use cases. You could spend an entire month teaching people how to use these different features to make money online. For example, how to make money on TikTok. You can come to Canva, click the first link in the description to go to Canva and create your free Canva account. Boom, just like that. You could potentially make money. But Canva is really cool. I really like their affiliate program. After Canva is actually with Aweber. Now, the reason why I like Aweber is you can earn up to 50% on your referrals. Aweber is an email marketing platform, and it's free to start. Again, low barrier to entry. You can see earn up to 50% recurring payments each month for the lifetime of paid accounts. Now, once again, there are a variety of ways that you can get people over to Aweber. You can teach people about affiliate marketing, making money online, offline, how to get more leads, how to grow your business. You can see there are lots of opportunities. And one of the hardest things to do is to get people to spend money the first time. But if you get them up and running for free, it removes a lot of the barrier to entry. As you can see, free to start, up to 500 email subscribers. They can connect it with all sorts of different platforms, ClickFunnels. There's just tons of integrations. And I really like Aweber. And it can get pretty expensive as people grow. The other thing with software, and I don't think a lot of people tell you this, is most people will stay with software forever, just simply because they're already connected to it. It's kind of a pain in the butt to switch your email subscriber list to something else, to recreate all of your email automation. And so most likely, as long as they're not having major issues, they're going to stay with whatever is working. If they're making money with Aweber, they're going to stay with Aweber. So just remember that when you are picking out different affiliate programs to join. Another one is relatively new. It's actually Systemio. Now, I like Systemio because it's the new kid on the block. You can see over 2 million commissions are paid out. Once again, you can actually start this for free. This is an email automation platform. It's a competitor to ClickFunnels. It's actually a competitor to Aweber. You can see there are tons of things that you can do with the free plan. 2,000 contacts isn't a lot, but it's still a pretty good amount. And once you see, once again, as I mentioned, once people get onto a software, it's very difficult to change. It takes hours to download your contacts and then re-upload them to a different platform. It takes hours to recreate all of your email automation and your sales funnels and all of the different things that are out there. But I really like System.io. There's a lot of people talking about it in the market, and especially because you can start it for free. And once again, as people grow and they start earning more money, they are going to continue with the platform or service that they use. So I think System.io can be a good opportunity. I also believe they have 2-tiered affiliate commission. Yep. Earn 5% second tier affiliate. This is something ClickFunnels used to do way back, and that's how they grew pretty fast, is you will earn commissions from people that other people bring in. So think of a pyramid. You're at the top of the pyramid. You bring in 10 people, and each one of those 10 people bring in 5 people. You can earn 5% commissions off of the 5 people. So this could be a good place to start. They also have email swipes and all sorts of stuff for you to use. In fact, I might consider using it to see as a free alternative, but I really like Aweber. You should not fall in love with an affiliate program. That's how you get stuck and you get frustrated. Find stuff that people need and give it to them, and they will be happy. So System.io can be a great place to start. And the final one that I want to talk to you about is Amazon. Yes, I still believe in the Amazon affiliate program simply because there's so many products on here. There's so many people that use Amazon, and there's so many different ways to make money. For example, if we just look at the screen here, you can earn commissions on literally anything. Like a face electric massager. You could create a review video over on YouTube. You can create an unboxing video. You can create a comparison video. And these videos get hundreds of thousands of views. Now, I don't know what this face thing does. Maybe it massages your eyeballs. I don't know. But what we can do is we can copy this. And there's so many different ways to promote this product. You could go over to TikTok and say things I didn't know I needed. This eye massager. It massages your eyes when they're open, and it makes your eyes feel real good. You could promote it like that, and you can earn a commission. In addition, you would earn a commission to everything that's in the cart. For example, just yesterday, I was looking at buying a new camera. While this product is only $53, I was thinking about buying a camera that was $1,500, and I could potentially earn a commission on everything that's in the cart in addition to this eye massager. But if we look at this eye massager, 100,000 views, only 9,000 subscribers, 18,000 views, 9,000 subscribers. These are the same people, but you can see that literally you could make money with anything over on Amazon. This, in my opinion, might be silly, but what is silly to one person is a solution to somebody else. Remember that. That's a little bonus tip there. What is silly to someone is a solution to someone else. I'm going to use that in some way. Guys, so just to recap, we have web hosting through Bluehost, we have Canva, we have Aweber, we have System.io, and then we have Amazon. Now that you know 5 affiliate programs to start as a beginner, click the first link in the description for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook is going to teach you how to make money online step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.